If I can't find a way to get to you directly, the next step is to attack your friends or family. One of them is going to take the bait, and once I take over their account, I'll be able to get to you. Imagine I took over your mother's account and sent you an email message that read, "I got my results from the lab, but I can't open them. I asked Jenny and she also couldn't. Can you help me?" I then include a malicious attachment called test results for you to click. By the way, who is Jenny? It's your sister. I found her name on your Facebook account. Scary, right? That's why we can't treat digital identities like real people, because you never truly know who is actually behind them. Make it a habit to call and verify who you are talking to. If it's family or a friend, you can ask simple questions that only you and they know. If it's your CEO or someone you don't directly report to and you feel uncomfortable calling them, talk to your manager. Should you be paranoid? Probably not. However, you shouldn't automatically trust an email, phone number, or text message just because you recognize them.